This is how you zero gap the Cordless Masters from Andis. 2019, they finally dropped. We've been waiting a long time. Matter of fact, come over here real quick. I want to show you guys something. These things, Cordless Masters, Corded Masters, they are super light, surprisingly light. I want to show you guys. So we got pounds and ounces. We're going to start with the Corded Master, and I'm actually going to let this cord hang to simulate, you know, if you were cutting. We're looking at 1.5 pounds. Okay, zero back out, and I'm gonna put the Cordless Masters up here. You see that? These things are light. It doesn't even close all the way. You have the last notch, and that's as far as it'll go. Right on the back of there, it's like a little shelf that stops it whenever you pull the lever all the way closed. It stops it from going any further back. So normally I just grab a pair of pliers and break that part, but at $300 for this pair versus maybe $100 for this pair, I do not want to break that piece. See, when you take this top blade off, the steel blade, is that there's going to be 4 pieces, 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've actually already did this, so in preparation for the video I took them off already. And as you can see, this lever, normally it would stop right here and you couldn't go any further, but now you got some more room. So and here's the piece. So on this one it can slide off because we broke that little lip off. Blade comes off. Moving blade comes off. And like I said, you got this piece. 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, and this locks it in there. So if you want to, you can just break this off, or you can do what I'm doing and take this piece off of your old Masters. This right here is the old one. See that? It goes far. Making sure that this piece stops right here. This should be on the top. This lip should be here. The part that's missing, or the one that you just broke off, should be on the bottom. And you have to make sure this hole, this little pin, goes into this hole right here. So as you can see on the bottom, there's a circle. You have to put that in there, and that's what you use to control it. So you should be able to see it right there. Stiff, or if they're too loose, you can just slightly unscrew these if you want it a little looser, or tighten it if you want it tighter. And as you can see now, the lever used to stop right there. You can still see that last line. Now you get a little bit more room. Bam. Just that little motion right there will have them all the way flush when you close them. See here, close, open. You got these 2 prongs here which move this. They fit right in there. You have that driver, put it in, make sure it's over it. Right after that. Sometimes it could take a little work. I'll move it back down. It's lined up. Now it's tight. And there you have it. There's no gap in between there. What I like to do, I'll take it, Make sure that it's not cutting. I don't feel like it's too sharp. Same thing that you do when you zero gap your trimmers. I see a little ash line, which lets me know it's close. I'll put it on myself. This is a sensitive area for me, so if anything is too sharp, man, I would be in pain. You can hear them cutting like trimmers. They're nice and close. It might actually work better than the cordless trimmers. Sorry, my cameraman zoomed in so far on my face, but that's how you zero gap the new cordless Masters, and now they're working perfectly. And I have to say that as far as how they cut, I don't see any problems with them currently. They work just like my other Masters. When I'm cutting down bulk, I'm actually anxious to try them on a bigger number, because with the Masters, the corded version, if you ever were trying to do like bulk hair, it just didn't cut very well. So a lot of times what we do is, once you go over like a number 2 to a 3, like we'll switch if I'm going to use a plastic guard. So these things have a rotary motor, and I watched one video, I saw a guy, he was mowing through it, but I want to feel it for myself. I love the way it feels cutting down with a number 2 that I've tried so far. So here it is, there's zero gap, and you guys get you a pair and let me know what you think. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like it. Thumbs up. If you want more content like this, let me know in the comment section. Subscribe, turn on your notifications, and share this video with a barber, your personal barber, or your co-workers if you're a barber. Thanks and God bless.